In this video, I'm going to show you can easily create group chat on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And the first off, you need to open up Messenger app. After that, make sure shots are selected. And then just stop right and here. And compose button here at the very top. You will find Create a New Group option. All you have to do now is just tap on it. And after that, we can select some users whom we would like to add to our group chat. We can add them in that way, simply by selecting users from dead list. And also we can use search to search for a particular user by their name. Once all the users you would like to add to the group chat are selected, hit at Create. Basically, guys, see the group chat has just been created. And now we can just send our message here to start a group conversation. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.